Now, you are looking at enough corn to fill an Olympic swimming pool, and this factory eats it every 4 hours.
4 million bags a day means everything here moves at a speed that would make your head spin.
Glow.
That signature orange glow isn't just for looks, it's the result of a scientific formula designed to be addictive. If you stack today's production, you'd reach the edge of space. But how do they turn hard corn into this melt-in-your-mouth crunch? Let's go inside. In this video, we're revealing the secret flamin' hot catalyst that the factory keeps under lock and key. You clicking whimsical about snacking. This isn't your local snack shop. This is the world's most advanced snack-making machine.
We'll show you why your brain literally cannot say no to Cheetos, the official name for that dust. But first, we have to start at the very beginning of the corn's transformation.
It all starts with specific hybrid corn, delivered by the truckload every 30 minutes. Vacuum tubes suck the corn up at 60 miles per hour, heading straight for the cleaning filters. One tiny pebble could ruin a multi-million-dollar machine, so these vibration tables catch
These
everything.
magnets are 10 times stronger than your fridge, ensuring zero metal makes it to the bag.
The corn is pulverized into a specific grade of meal, not too fine, not too coarse.
It looks like golden snow, but this is the foundation of every Cheeto you've ever eaten.
Moisture is key. If it's off by even 1%, the Cheetos won't puff.
It doesn't look like much yet, but this rub is ready for the most important machine in the building. This is the extruder. It's where cornmeal is literally cooked by friction and pressure alone. As it hits the air, the water turns to steam, blowing the corn up like a balloon. The blade spins faster than a helicopter rotor to cut thousands of pieces every second. At this stage, they are naked and flavorless, but not for long. They are spread out to ensure every single piece gets perfectly toasted.
They enter a 300-degree oven to remove the remaining moisture and lock in that crunch.
It's a hot air maze designed to prevent any soggy spots. Every batch is tested for structural integrity. If it doesn't snap, it doesn't pass. Now comes the fat. They are flash fried in hot oil to create that signature richness. The oil is kept at exactly 350 degrees. Even a slight dip would make them greasy. A massive centrifuge spins off the extra oil so your snack isn't a soggy mess. Now for the main event, the seasoning drum. This is where the magic happens. A precision blend of cheese and spices is sprayed in a fine mist. They use electrostatic charges to make sure the dust sticks to every single nook and cranny. The tumbling ensures that no Cheeto is left behind.
But what about the flamin' hot? That's a whole different level of intensity.
The heat levels are checked hourly to ensure your tongue burns exactly the same way every time.
After the heat of the fryer and the drum, they need to cool down, or they'd melt the plastic bag. This computer uses advanced math to combine different buckets to reach the exact weight in milliseconds. These rolls of film are over a mile long, enough for thousands of bags. We call it air, but it's actually pure nitrogen to keep them fresh for months.
The drop has to be perfectly timed with the seal.
And just like that, a finished bag is born. If a bag is off by even a few grams, it's instantly rejected by a blast of air. Every single bag is scanned for metal fragments one last time. The factory never stops. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
This robot can stack a full pallet in under 2 minutes.
Now, let's talk about what really makes a Cheeto a Cheeto. The secret they don't want you to know.
Called vanishing caloric density. It tricks your brain into thinking the calories are gone, so you keep eating.
Dust is officially called Cheetle, and its recipe is more guarded than the Coca-Cola formula. The secret zing? a precise ratio of citric acid and buttermilk that triggers an immediate saliva response. Air pockets are designed to shatter at a specific frequency that the human ear finds satisfying. From Tokyo to Texas, this one factory fuels a global obsession.
Even the mistakes aren't wasted. They're repurposed for local farms.
Invented in 1948, the process has evolved from a simple press to this mega factory. Behind the robots, hundreds of experts ensure the flavor never changes. Consistency is why you know exactly what you're getting every time you open a bag. The process is complete. 4 million bags done.
Every day, the entire line is scrubbed to a surgical standard.
Millions of bags, teaching those 4 million bags daily.
The crunch is engineered to be 63 decibels, the sweet spot for snack satisfaction. Too much salt and you stop eating. Too little and it's bland. They found the perfect 2% ratio. Even the ink has to dry in a fraction of a second. Then there's the variety pack, a logistics nightmare that this factory makes look easy.
This facility uses enough energy to power a small city for a year.
Air pressure drives everything from the sorting to the sealing. Pump screen quadruplet. They even capture the heat from the ovens to warm the rest of the factory. While the world sleeps, the orange dust never stops flowing. Sala here to die. To keep the air breathable, massive vacuums suck up any stray Cheeto in the air.
It's a 10-mile maze of belts from start to finish.
Lasers track every box, so they know exactly where it goes in the world.
Portion of these 4 million bags are headed overseas right now.
Even with all the tech, the human tongue is the final judge. This is the result of 12 hours of engineering and 400 miles of travel. 4 million bags. Every single bags, without fail.
And yes, the orange fingers are a mandatory part of the experience. From the pressure of the extruder to the chemistry of the Cheeto.
Next time you open a bag, remember the mountain of corn and the miles of machines that made it possible.
But the real question is, are you Team Crunchy or Team Puffy?
Tell us your favorite flavor in the comments. We want to see which one wins. We're going inside the Doritos factory to see how they make 5 million chips a day. It takes less than 11 minutes for a kernel of corn to become a finished bag.
Subscribe if you love snacks as much as we do.
The secret remains safe until the next bag.
See you in the next factory.